cool store. Hurry up and look around. Get what you want and get the hell out. Just kidding. Oh, you want to see this one? This one here? What about this one? This one? No? What about this one? No? No, this one? What about this one? No, this one? Yeah, we got some more over there. Check those out. Yeah, over here. I like that piece. This right here? Some good stuff right here. Take a look at this. Oh, I got no money for right now. Anytime you're looking, I'll just chill. You let me know when you're ready. I'll be back for that one. Ooh, I like that piece. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, I got no money for right now. Oh, you don't got the money for it right now? Okay. Well, until next time. We'll be here. Oh yeah. We got some really cool stuff here. Come on by. Take a look. All this cool stuff. Oh yeah, you're gonna find something you like. Till next time, take it easy. Portal open.